How to promote, market, and sell NFTs using Instagram. Hi, guys, welcome back. Today, I am going to be showing you how you can promote, market, and sell your NFTs using Instagram.com. So, let's get started. First, if you do not have any idea about Instagram, Instagram.com is an amazing social media platform where you can share your pictures and videos. Now, you can also create Instagram Reels, you can run your business, and you can also create your NFT page on Instagram to promote your NFTs and to market them. So, today we will discuss how we can actually promote our NFTs using Instagram for free. So, first, what you have to do is you will simply need your own NFT collection. You can go to any of the NFT marketplaces. There are many NFT marketplaces out there, for example, OpenSea.io, Rarible.com. Then we have Foundation. There are Solana NFT marketplaces as well. So let's say that you have created a new NFT collection and now you're wondering to promote your collection, right? Because promotion is an important part. We want to market our NFT collection because we want to sell our NFTs, and you're looking for different ways to promote your NFTs for free. So one of the ways to promote your NFT for free is using Instagram. So if I show you, let's open up any of the famous NFT collections so that you have a better idea how people are actually doing that, and you will be able to learn from the expert. So if I open any of the NFT collections right here, one of the famous ones. So I will open up a famous NFT collection. I am right now on OpenSea.io. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and we can actually find all of the famous collections right here. So I'm gonna open up this one. I will actually open up one of my favorite collections, like Clonex Takashi Murakami, and then I will open up World of Women. So I have opened up this collection right here, World of Women. This is actually one of the very famous collections on OpenSea. It is on Ethereum blockchain, and the floor price is 8.08. So when you open up any of the collection on any of the NFT marketplace, let's say you have created your NFT collection on OpenSea, right? So what I can do is, I when you open up, right, let's say you have also created your collection on OpenSea. So we get right here, we get different options. We get the website, we get Discord, and then you can add your Instagram. This is where all of the famous NFT collections actually add their Instagram account to their main website so that you can also check out their Instagram. And what happens is, sometimes when you open up their Instagram, let's say I'm using Instagram, I don't know about World of Women, okay? So I was using Instagram and I came across this account right here, worldofwomen.nft, right? It has actually 50K followers right here. So now I came across this platform and I'll be like, okay, wow, this is amazing. These NFTs are actually pretty good. And now I can simply go ahead and get access to their website, and I will be able to check out the NFTs that are available on this collection. So that is how Instagram helps you with the audience, because we know Instagram now has millions of users and people love Instagram. People are using Instagram every day. So what you can do is you can add your NFTs right here. You add images right here on Instagram, and after that you simply promote your NFT collections with your Instagram account. You don't need any business or account, or you don't need any coding. You don't have to pay. What you do is you simply create an account for free on Instagram, and it is a public account that you create, and after that you simply add your NFTs right here. These are actually the images for these NFTs. These are not the NFTs, because NFTs are available right here on this platform right here on an NFT marketplace. So Instagram has a larger audience. For example, it has 50K followers, and out of these 50K, maybe at least 10K are going to buy the NFT, and that is how we simply, get traffic to our NFT collection. Similarly, if I open up another collection on OpenSea.io, this is one of my favorite collections. This is one of my favorite collections right here, Clonex Takashi Murakami. The artwork is just phenomenal. You can see right here. So what happens is, you can see right here, this is the floor price. One of it is also one of the collection that is trending nowadays. You can actually check out the trendings right here in the rankings, and you will be able to check out the different ranking of different collections right here. So this collection is actually doing pretty good in this year. So you can see right here. Now we can also check out their Instagram right here, and if I open up their Instagram, the RTFKT Studio Instagram, then I will be able to get more information about it. So you can see right here, they actually have more than 400K followers on Instagram. So this is actually pretty amazing. And we not only, when we create our own Instagram account for our NFT collection, we can not only promote our NFTs, just, add NFTs, and, when we create our collection and we create our account on Instagram, we can not only just promote our NFTs, we can also do giveaways. We can update our followers that what is happening in the collection now. Then we can also add different assets into it. We can also add different products. You can also check out, we are also getting the suggestion of Cool Cats NFT right here. This is their Instagram account. So Takashi Murakami, this one is actually owned by Nike, so you will also find the cool sneakers right here. So now you can see I can actually get their latest update on Instagram. And when it comes to as so this is example for you, like what the most famous collections are, what they are doing. So what we need to do is, whenever you will be creating a collection, a new NFT collection, make sure to create an Instagram account. Create an Instagram account, make it public. Then you need to promote it. So pay for that. We also get the payment paid promotion option on Instagram as well, which is like very cheap. So you can also promote your NFT, your account on Instagram for a few weeks, then add your NFTs, do giveaways. Then you can also do giveaways on directly on Instagram as well for your Instagram followers, so that you can gain the audience. Once you have the audience on Instagram, then you will simply launch your new NFTs on OpenSea or any other platform that you are using. But you will also add it to your Instagram. You will let your followers know that you have a new collection, you have new NFTs. They will be able to check them out, and then they will check out your collection on OpenSea that you have. And then if they want to buy your NFT, they will be able to do so through your Instagram account. Why we're using Instagram? Instagram has large audience. People are looking for NFTs, so you will be able to sell your NFTs very easily with Instagram. Of course, people will check out your collection, and then they will like any NFT, and then you will be able to sell your NFT. Selling NFT is easy. You simply mint your NFT on OpenSea right here, and then the person will check it out, and then they will simply buy your NFT. You will be able to sell your NFT for let's say 2 Ethereum. If it's a new collection, you can sell it for 1 Ethereum, and you will be making thousands of dollars with your NFT collection. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to promote your NFT collection with Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.